Byunbo, Dola, Daxyam, Vidyoda, Kamarsi Lise, Seon, Truasa, Swazont. Confused what's going on? And what are we speaking about? Don't worry, we will repeat this for you. Welcome to our second video of Marketing 360. Today, we will talk about a brand which always believes in reinventing. Do you know which was the first Indian brand to manufacture and sell cosmetic products in India? Was it Revlon, Maybelline, Calabar, or L18? No, it was Lakme. Lakme created history by being the first Indian brand to manufacture and sell cosmetic products in India. Back then, in the 1950s, our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, was concerned that Indian women were spending precious foreign exchange on beauty products and personally requested J.R.D. Tata to manufacture them in India. And this is how, in 1952, Lakme came into being. The name Lakme is the French rendition of Sanskrit Lakshmi, the name of the Hindu goddess of wealth. Lakme started its operation as a 100% subsidiary of Tata Oil Mills. Simone Tata joined as the managing director in 1961. It helped that she was a European lady and understood where exactly to steer the budding beauty brand. Stylish, warm, and innovative, she had lived long enough through the Second World War in Switzerland to understand the importance of thrift and value for money, and the Lakme line reflected that. It was Simone who was largely responsible for making Lakme the household name that it became. In the mid-1960s, Lakme expanded into skincare, introducing moisturizers and sun care products. Around this time, Lakme also launched its first salon business as a center of learning and to understand consumer preferences. As its tagline says, Lakme Reinvent, it has always revolutionized India's beauty industry by skincare and makeup products. Tata eventually sold Lakme to Hindustan Unilever in 1996 for Rs 200 crore, given Unilever's vast and varied experience in the global FMCG field. Lakme had built confidence in women by providing superior quality products and still letting them feel comfortable in their own skin. And therefore, in 1998, when Lakme Beauty Salon started franchising its unit, they received a good response. Lakme gradually started getting more recognition, and then finally in 2000, it collaborated with Fashion Week and made a mark in the Indian fashion and glamour industry. Being a complete beauty brand spanning color, cosmetics, and skincare, in 2013, Lakme had a network of 240 salons spread across 50 plus cities and towns. And by the end of the decade, they networked to more than 500 plus salons across India. With such unified glory, the company's worth is now more than Rs 1,000 crores. In the present scenario, the company did not retrench their employees and instead, they protected their interests in the best way possible. They also invested in more than 3 lakh hours of online education for its 4,000 team members to enhance their skills, in line with the new protocols. Lakme has been playing in the market for over 69 years now and is still giving a tough competition to its rival companies. So what makes Lakme strong even today? Lakme has been continuously bringing changes, modifying products, and launching innovative cosmetics in the beauty industry. It was the first Indian brand redesigned only for women, and it has maintained its credibility in the market. Though the road ahead is challenging, but Lakme has time and again proved that it values its employees, customers, and partners. Though there are many players in the market, Lakme will come out strong because of its transparency and continuous innovation maintained in and out of the organization.